how to know how much you're about to lose in a trade and how much you're about to gain in a trade. This is GBPJPY. This is let me remove it. This is a buy order. Now when you click here, if you take this trade, automatically you must. So when you click here, you are seeing stop loss SL. Look here right now. Let me show you. Look at this very place now. Look at this very place. You see SL. You are seeing 142.54 USD. This is the amount I'm losing when this trade goes against me. 70 points. That's 70 pips. Look at it here. Now, when you click on this very place again, you see, let me shake. You see take profit up here. Look at take profit. This is take profit. I'm going to gain 500, and let me bring it down. Wait, let me bring it down. So that you see it clearly. If this trade goes in my favor, I'll get 517.22 USD dollar, which is about 254 points. That's pips or points. So now this is what you're about to gain. You are risking $142 to get $517 point something cents, you see. So this is how you know how to always use this whenever you are trading. Now if you don't put it, then you don't know the amount you're about to gain and the amount you're about to lose in any trade. It is very, very important. So now you shouldn't panic. Now you have known that you want to lose $142 if this trade goes against you, and if it goes in your favor, you'll know that you are willing to gain $517 if this trade goes in your favor. Automatically this trade must go in my favor, as you are seeing it, because this market has been analyzed already. So, and what you are seeing now is a normal thing in the market, for the market to always retrace and then go up. So whenever you are seeing this happening, don't panic. Whenever the retracement might just end here, okay, it might just end around here and then push up again. So don't always panic. You have set your stop loss already. So if definitely it is going to get against you, you are not, you know the amount you're about to lose, so that's why you just put this thing and go your way. So for instance, but it's always good for you to monitor your trade, because if you don't do that, you might not break even. Like if this trade is going in my favor now, what next I will do is I'll wait for it to retrace, and then I will carry this stop loss and then put it wherever the structure, I'll put it in the next structure. Like if this market gets to this point, retraces back, I'll just put my stop loss under that retracement, that support level, and then it will go up. I'm going to put it like this is a support level. If it does something like this again, like this, and like this, like the first one, I will leave the first one and then put it in the second one. So whenever it retraces back, there is no how it's going to touch the first one. So that's how I break even in trading. So watch this trade now. I think it's in my favor already. So this is it. It's in my favor, and even if I don't want to go further, but it's always good for you to go with your plan. Okay, it's always good for you to go with your plan. And this is a smart money concept strategy. It is always good. This one is risk free. You understand? It's risk free. always wait for this point. Let me show you. Always wait for this point, for the market to break this point. You see, this is a very very important place for you to pay attention on. Once it breaks this place, wait for it there. Okay, or sometimes if it breaks here, if it breaks here, then wait for it here. So it is very very simple strategy to trade with. Okay, so if you find value in this video, kindly subscribe to my channel, like this video, share with your friends and family. See you in my next video. Bye.